Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick and easy natural looking eyebrow tutorial, and please excuse my voice because I'm sick. But first I just start by pulling my hair back so it doesn't get in my face or anything. And I started this tutorial with a fresh face and it was moisturized and everything. So then I just take my spoolie and brush out my eyebrows like the way that they go. And as you can see, I do have some very noticeable bald spots, but I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow in a color that's way too dark for me because all the rest of the colors are too light. But it's in the color Granite, and I start by outlining the tail of my eyebrow and making sure I get that part the darkest. And I just line the top. I don't go at the front of the top of my eyebrow because it makes it look very fake, but I just do that to both eyebrows. As you can see, I'm doing here. And of course, this eyebrow is the trouble eyebrow. Eventually, you'll see me give up on it. So here, you'll see me using the Anastasia Duo powder, and I'm using the dark side to just fill in and go over the parts that I already went over with the Dip Brow. And I use it more on my trouble eyebrow because it's easier to work with, and it helps like shape it better, I guess. And with the Dip Brow, if you use the tip of the brush, it's easier, but with the powder, if you use the sides, it's like super easy. So then I just brush the product through my eyebrows and see if there's anything that I need to fix. And if there is, I'll just use my Pro Concealers. I have a dark one and a light one, and I mix both of them together on my hand. And just apply it to the tail of my eyebrow. I also apply the Pro Concealer under my eyebrow. I go all the way across when I go under, but I do not go all the way across on top. I just go to like about 3/4 the way. And as you can see, I kind of messed up, so I'm just fixing that. And yes, this concealer is pretty light. I can never find one that is my color. But I just apply that to on the top and the bottom of the tail, and then right at the front on the bottom, on both brows. So after I'm done applying the concealer, I'll take a different brush, preferably a wider one, and I'll just blend out all the concealer on both brows. I'll just brush out my eyebrows, and as you see me doing here, I'll just draw like a tiny little line right there at the front and the bottom, so it looks like my eyebrows go out further. And here is the finished product. This is just me using some Snapchat filters. Thanks for watching.